Today I'll be bringing you an unboxing of Godzilla the Toho Godzilla collection. It includes Godzilla Tokyo SOS and Godzilla Final Wars, remastered in high definition Blu-ray, screenshots of the movie posters, the spine with Godzilla from each movie, Godzilla Tokyo SOS description of the movie. Special features include the Making of Godzilla Tokyo SOS featurette and digital trailer. Audio is English, Japanese 5.1. Subtitles are in English, English SDH, French, mastered in high definition. About 91 minutes. Color is PG. Godzilla Final Wars. A description. Special features include Godzilla B-roll to film featurette and original trailers. Some screenshots in the movies. This Godzilla Final Wars is PG-13. Sony. And a Blu-ray disc. The Tokyo SOS and Godzilla Final Wars. That's a different picture, actually, for once. Then if you take the movies out, you actually get the movie posters from when they originally came out. So you can flip them if you wanted to. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos like this one.